What up, YouTube? Back with another video. Back with another beautiful video of Bubbles. There's King Titan. He is just looking beautiful. He's growing a lot. He's definitely growing a lot. He thinks I'm going to feed him right now. That's why he's looking up at the water. Up at the top. Check out Bubbles. Isn't he such a cool fish? This guy's just... I'm so happy I picked him up. This is just a beautiful fish. Ton of personality. It's non-stop. Same with the blood parrots. Look at these guys. These guys are beautiful. There's the clown loaches. Look at these blood parrots. They are absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, everybody gets along. That's most important. Look at the clown loaches down there. The setup's still the same. I got the two Fluval FX6s on here. Let's take a look. I do have to clean them this weekend. There's one right there. And the other one is right there. I will do a video on cleaning these this weekend. You know, I haven't cleaned them in a couple of months, and they're definitely due. So stay tuned for that. Look at this guy. That's my biggest blood parrot right there. Hanging out with the clown loaches. Those guys are definitely cool. And like I said, these guys right here, like I said, they don't look it, but they will get over a foot long. So picture these guys at over a foot. Very cool. I am going to pick up some more of them. Titan just loves it in here. He's having a blast. Hanging out with the blood parrots. I am doing daily water changes. Right after this video, I will do a water change. Ever since, you know, they had the gill curl, I've been doing daily water changes. At least 60% I do every single day. You know, and I'm gonna keep it like that for a very long time. Check out Sunny. There's Sunny right there. Remember how yellow he used to be? Not no more. He's changing. He is changing. Alright, I'm gonna look at Bubbles. Beautiful. Look at this guy. Beautiful flower horn. I'm gonna give a little side view of the tank, and then I'll feed him some bloodworms. I always do the feeding and then I clean the tank. There's Titan. Check him out. He's still small, but he has grown a bit since I got him. Look at this guy. Wherever I go, every fish pretty much follows me, which is pretty cool. This is the side view. Everybody's doing great. I mean, you can see the colors on them. Everybody's doing great. Let's look up top. Tighten. Look at everybody. Crystal clear water. That's the top view. Number one rules in fish keeping: keep your water first, your fish second, and then the food. Everybody loves these blood parrots. Absolutely go crazy for the bloodworms. I drop about 6 in there, maybe more. As you can see, they just attack it and it gets eaten so quick. Between the blood parrots, the clown loaches, the Titan goes for it, but then it, you know, when he grabs it, he stops. I gotta pick him up some frozen krill this weekend. For right now, I'll give him some freeze-dried krill. See, everybody gets their fair share. Titan's getting his. See how quick they eat it? I probably dropped about 8 in there just now, and they just take it down so quick. I can watch Bubbles all day. Look at him. Look at those colors. He is beautiful. Okay guys, hope you liked the video. This is the feeding, bloodworm feeding in the 220. Hope you guys like what I'm doing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have a great day. Later.